Hello suru, kiullama videomi qartukka taakkutusun atanimi pisimaasut eqqaangittuukka kaamma tilisum tutun 2.0 tassani itisuraartu taalu annernalartu eqqartorpakka amma kommentaarit atallataakit nuannaqaamma laakillataariarsiulur taamma you seem to like that kind of content taakisini qarsalaraama balanceeraartaaqaami taaqasarpuullumikkut oqinnerumaanguit taulu I want more connection with you guys taamaammat qarsarpunga sapaatikunnernulluunni taaqarsarpu sapaatikunnernulluunni ataasia peraarfassilarusulluunga imminut to connect more with you guys ilisi suuluususi attavaqarfiginorlaarusullusiaamma ayuna kommentarisi ataaser inoraqsen illoqarfimi takullitsernikuukki ataasia ama tutun attanimi susoqarami tutun attanimi tassani kommentarisimuutit new video from a favorite YouTuber from Greenland. Oh, thank you. You know, I like these kind of comments. Ilortorisarput nuannertorisarput taamata kommentaarik atorsinnaallani ingammik if I'm your favorite from Greenland. It's an honor. I feel humbled. Narungiraasiinnaallataarimaartutinoa. Aariannerpairaanniikkunarputillutinoa. Naluara sumut tungatinera una inunguaq media allatto torrik. Una qaruga vlog. Now. It's now. Tawa manitsuminitsinama tanatangwa kommentaarqippoq qaquunerpoq morning routine idiorniaat imarunit nighttime routine sorlu Alex Costa or Blue Man. Second of all, he has 2 likes. Maqlun like anapa. Wa payunga. Who's the other one? I don't know who this Alex Costa guy is. Daudu Blue Man. So it turns out there are beauty channels, hairstyle channels. How you got that when because it's not what I do. But I wanted to connect with more of you guys, so I thought we're gonna do just that. So Mrs. Shuralningo Alex Costa Blue Man, whoever they are, wising Nanagung Zanok because of Language Madonit. Trainer no Mutungaziman Madinafis or showing like a YouTube because they map Instagram. So I thought, if that's what you want, that's what you're gonna get. To get my latest and my greatest fashion hairstyle advice. So we're gonna do just that. Kuminaartorungami ingami assarniitillungimata tawa sissuilaaginnersuutit arlaani kusertorisaassangaluaruit taana sillupma figinnassaakku naak imatut matoqqatikkaluarlungit kuussinaasarami. So you're going to be very fast because it's a very specific technique. Inuit amorlisorparpassuisaparunerpa it happens very fast. Norippuunsukkusuumik what's going to happen is because it's going to happen once. So watch this carefully. Taamaammat nutsatit qillaatorussuungersinaavutit sortukulersinaavuti imma 50 sekundit imma nuaatsinaavu taamatut ulivin ulia akiktunguusarput pisniarfammi imma 50 kroner missaaniipput taava iti voksinu taamaammat pisiortornissaat imanna ulivin uliaqaallartillungu taalu annertuneruissuulluni imma ukiuaffaapingisinaavat ama kokus ulia ama iloortoruusarpu tipingittoriorissuu taannuttanut peqinnarnerparpaajo taasorlu imaattuninguyoruit bald spots imaaluunneqqiininguyoruit tawa kukus udiamik tanikkukkit nunkkiartussappun malinnaaffiginerna for my greatest and latest hair trend advices. Thank you. Fucking weirdo. Tauna kommentaritullea Ivik Petersen allassimaa Hayago video kiunlormi ikkussaraa taana 2018 eqaangittuukkamailaat allatto none other than Rini Brandt Livstrøm. Tassani video me kontekstimiktuin laasuk ta tassani qartorakku itisudaanik oqaluuseriseqaamasorlu 2018 amma anniatingisimasannik ippingupsuutingisimasakkaаллат eqaangittuukkamailaat tassani susoqaami 2018 tassani video me eqaangittuukkamailaat ta allakkami easy to say but hard to put in action. But somehow gets easier to change something when you desperately try to escape from the pain that you went through. A nice reflection, dude. I'll stay tuned. So, for those who don't know Rini Brandt Livstrøm, Masekut, he's pretty famous now. I say this. You're famous. You're famous. I'm going to know maamaani nuummitusarsaalereersimassooqsorlu tusernartitsillataasarpo. Super talented guy and a good friend of mine. It's really heartfelt. Like when you actually put some effort into these comments, when you mean it, like when you really mean it, so so keep those comments coming. You got my advice. It smells really bad. So keep those comments coming. Aqlaannik atitaasimaukkurunnit maarunnit illarnakuuppata noippunga una video no naaraarsimassigit it's a silly video kisanni imminunguna peerfissilaarusulluga to connect with more of you guys ilissisuutukkuususi suudut qonorsuusinaalaarsinaarit video tullissaani tiqoqqikumarpaan. Okay, this is gonna be very hard to wash off. It actually it looks good. Fuck! I accidentally made something good.